drive the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, trailering package, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.